Create a recurring invoice using the contract pricing from an existing contract. In the contract field, search for and select the contract you want to use, e.g. CT00144. Verify that the contract pricing products are suggested and that the sale price matches the contract pricing. Click Save to create the record, then navigate to generate scheduled invoices. Search for the recurring invoice you created and verify it appears in the Customer Invoices section. Open the generated invoice to confirm the customer invoices were created using the recurring contract pricing.